Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting and easy problem called GCD of odd and even sums. In this problem, we are given an integer and we need to calculate sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers. After that, we need to find the greatest common divisor, also called GCD, of these two sums. Let's understand with an example. For now, I suppose number 4. First four numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Their sum becomes 16, and the sum of all numbers is 16, and the sum of four even numbers is 20. So now when we calculate their GCD, it comes 4. Now, what will be our approach? Now, let's understand the approach. First, we will transfer number from 1 to 2 into n. If the number is odd, then we are going to add it to the odd integer. Otherwise, add it to the even. After calculating both sum, find the greatest number that divides both sum. Now, let's get into code. First, we will create an odd number variable. After that, we'll create a even number variable and a GCD variable. Now, first we have to look through the number from 1 to r less than equal to 2 into n. If my integer is even, I'm going to add it to the even. Else it's odd, we're gonna add odd integers. After that, we are going for again we are gonna use loop from 1 to I less than equal to n into 2. Now, if my condition should be like this, my odd sum is divisible by I and also my even sum is divisible by I, then we want switch over this to that particular integer. And at the end of the loop, we are gonna return our GCD variable. Let's check it. I think it's working fine. Now let's submit it. That's it for this video. See you in next video.